Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about do-it-yourself instruments. I'm going to talk about the drums. To make the drums, I did it in two different ways. First, I used a can. I put a balloon over the top and secured the balloon with a rubber band. Next, I made one out of wood and packing tape. I took a hammer and nail and put the wood pieces together on the corners. Then I wrapped my wood in packing tape and voila, I had a drum.
Another instrument that you could make is a flute. So I made two different flutes. The first one, I took a bunch of different straws and glued or taped them together. And when I cut them different sizes, they'll make different sounds when I blow through them. Another thing I could do is take a toilet paper roll or a paper towel roll. And do you see those holes that I poked in it? When I cover the end with wax paper and rubber band, then I blow through it. It makes a noise by vibration coming out of those holes.
Next, I made a guitar. I did this using a cardboard box in particular, and I used a paper towel tube and I used rubber bands, or you can use string to help me do the strings inside of the guitar. I taped them on and I used popsicle sticks as decorations to make it look more like a guitar and covered it in paper to make it more beautiful or the way that I like it. It's up to you, but the vibration of the string causes the guitar to play beautiful music.
This is a fun instrument. I can make a shaker, and you can see here it's pretty easy. I put some beans or popcorn inside of one cup, and then I put another cup on top of it and use tape to make it together. Hold those in your hands and see what kind of music you can make.
Shake, shake, shake. Next, I made a xylophone. This was really fun to make. I took 5 paper towel rolls and then I took scissors and cut them to different lengths and I tied them together using string or you can use pipe cleaner. I also secured them using tape. Then you just take a stick and you can hit each roll, and beautiful music comes out of this as well. Making an instrument can be fun and exciting.